Top 7 AI side hustles you can start right now with no experience. What if the biggest wealth shift of our time was already here? You could need a degree, experience, or even a boss to join it. So, what are the top 7 AI-powered side hustles you can launch today, even if you're starting from zero? Stick with us, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because this is your shortcut into the future of income. Number 7. Become a faceless YouTube or short-form video creator. What if you can build a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face? With AI tools, this is not only possible, it's easier than ever. Start by using platforms like ChatGPT to generate video scripts on topics like personal finance, health tips, or motivational content. Then turn those scripts into videos using AI tools like Pictory.ai, Canva, or even Synthesia for voiceovers. This kind of content is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Many creators have built faceless channels that bring in thousands per month in ad revenue, affiliate commissions, or sponsored posts. To increase your success, focus on evergreen topics, content that people will search for today, tomorrow, and next year. As your following grows, so do your earnings. Best of all, you can automate much of the content creation process. It's a hustle that truly scales. Number 6. Launch an AI-powered print-on-demand store. Running an online store no longer requires a big investment or piles of inventory. Thanks to print-on-demand platforms like Printful or Printify and easy-to-use AI-designed tools, you can launch your own merch line without even touching a product. Use AI art generators or prompt tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create custom designs, quirky slogans, or unique patterns. Then apply them to t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and more. Write compelling product descriptions using ChatGPT to help your items stand out in searches and drive more sales. Once your storefront is live, it practically runs itself. The platform handles printing, packing, and shipping, while you focus on marketing and adding new designs. That's the beauty of this business model. Low effort, high reward. Many successful stores make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. To boost visibility, use Instagram and TikTok to show off your designs with mockups and reels. You can also use AI to create branded content, ads, and emails. Choose a niche you're passionate about like gamers, cat lovers, or mental health advocates, and build your shop around their interests. When your designs connect emotionally, customers are more likely to buy and recommend your products. And don't stop at just one niche. Once you've nailed a formula that works, you can replicate it across multiple microstores. That's how small print-on-demand shops quietly turn into full-blown passive income machines. Number 5. Offer chatbot creation services to small businesses. Customer service is a huge concern for small businesses, but hiring staff can be expensive. That's where you come in. Using no-code chatbot builders like Tidio, ManyChat, or Chatful, you can help businesses build smart chatbots for Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and websites. These bots can handle appointment bookings, FAQs, product recommendations, and lead generation, all while saving the business time and money. With setup fees ranging from $100 to $500 and ongoing monthly management fees of $50 to $200, this can quickly become a reliable source of income. Start with small local businesses like salons, yoga studios, or dental clinics. Offer a free trial or discounted setup in exchange for testimonials. Once they see the results, chances are they'll stick with you. Expand by offering chatbot analytics, helping clients understand user behavior and optimize bot responses. You can also upsell seasonal updates or holiday-specific scripts. Build a case study from your first few clients to use as proof of your success. Promote your services in local business Facebook groups or Chamber of Commerce meetups. This side hustle has both local demand and global scalability if you take it online. Number 4. Use AI to create and sell music. No musical talent needed. Yes, you can make music without ever touching an instrument. Platforms like AIVA and Amper Music let you create professional-sounding music tracks by simply selecting genres, moods, and instruments. The AI handles the composition. You can sell your custom music on websites like Audio Jungle, Pond5, or even your own online store. These tracks are often purchased by content creators, marketers, and mobile app developers looking for royalty-free background music. Organize your music into bundles or collections to increase sales. For example, sell a relaxing meditation pack or video game battle music. Pricing can start at $50 per track, but themed packages can go much higher. This hustle is low effort, scalable, and can earn you passive income for years. Add vocal overlays or ambient effects using free tools to give your tracks extra flair. Collaborate with YouTubers or podcasters to feature your music for exposure. Create a TikTok or Instagram account to preview your latest beats. Offer custom music commissions for clients who need specific moods. Over time, you can build a brand as a go-to source for AI-generated audio content. Number 3. AI tutoring with customized educational tools. If you enjoy teaching but don't want to create everything from scratch, AI tools like ChatGPT can be your assistant. Whether you're tutoring high school algebra, Spanish, or helping college students write essays, AI can help you prepare lesson plans, quizzes, and visual explanations. You can register on tutoring platforms like Chegg, Wizen, or Superprof and charge between $20 and $80 per hour. You can also create and sell learning resources such as cheat sheets, flashcards, or printable workbooks using tools like Canva. The key to success here is personalization. Use AI to tailor your materials to each student's needs, and you'll stand out in a competitive market. Start a YouTube channel to give free mini lessons and attract paying clients. Bundle topics into week-long learning challenges that students can subscribe to. Use parent testimonials as social proof to build your tutoring brand. Offer tutoring for test prep, which has higher demand and better pay. Eventually, you can turn your resources into a full digital course to sell on platforms like Teachable. Number 2, become an AI prompt engineer for local entrepreneurs. Most businesses are jumping on the AI bandwagon but have no idea how to use it effectively. That's your chance to shine. By designing custom prompt packs for tools like ChatGPT or Claude, you can help business owners get better results faster. For example, you can create a set of prompts that help a bakery write Instagram captions or help a real estate agent describe new listings. You don't need to be a coder, just someone who understands how to ask the right questions. Create sample packs, offer them on Etsy, Gumroad, or pitch them directly to business owners. You can charge $20, $100 per pack, or offer live walkthroughs for higher rates. As your reputation grows, turn it into a consultancy and scale up. Record short tutorial videos showing how your prompts solve problems. Build a landing page that explains your services in simple terms. Join local entrepreneurship or freelancer meetups to offer custom prompt demos. Develop industry-specific prompt bundles like prompts for restaurant owners or AI for resume writers. Add ongoing support packages to keep clients engaged monthly. Number 1, provide AI-powered event planning services. Planning a wedding, birthday, or company event takes time, and people are always looking for someone to make it easier. Using AI tools combined with your own creativity, you can become a virtual event planner. ChatGPT can help you create timelines, budgets, vendor emails, and activity lists. Integrate it with tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or Notion to keep everything organized. You can also use AI to suggest decoration themes, music playlists, or even create guest seating charts. Charge per event or offer tiered packages, basic planning, full event management, or virtual support only. Some planners even earn affiliate commissions by recommending caterers, photographers, or venues. Use Instagram to post behind-the-scenes updates and tips. Offer emergency event day support through WhatsApp or a private client portal. Include unique services like AI-generated wedding speeches or best man toasts. Create a blog showcasing past events with photos, budgets, and planning hacks. As word spreads, you can position yourself as a modern, tech-savvy planner. So which AI side hustle will you start first? Let us know in the comments what caught your attention or if you've already started experimenting with AI for income. And if this video helps spark your next move, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more no-excuse, beginner-friendly side hustle videos that actually work.